Hi everyone, it's me. It's about 10 o'clock at night on Wednesday, and thought to myself when I was watering my ficus, I was thinking to myself the that question number. What was it? The question with what number was this one? Question number 6. I was watering my ficus, and it dawned on me, and I thought, oh my gosh. Number one, when I was thinking of that matrix B, um, I was like, oh my gosh, I think I may have made the assumption that B is going to equal 0. So I was thinking of the entry little b was going to equal 0, and I was thinking of capital B, the matrix, as like a scalar multiple of the identity, and I realized, oh my gosh, that was an assumption. And as I was sitting there like watering it, and I realized, oh my gosh, that means there was an error in my work. And there was. So I'm right back here at my screencast. If you look at my original screencast at the time 13 minutes 15 seconds, when I'm in the middle of reducing equation 3, did you find my mistake? Oh my gosh, that's where it was. That should have been a plus. Oh my gosh. So what happens when it's a plus? Here's what happens. Plus, which means really none of this happens. So what we get here is 3a plus 9 halves b, right? Actually, yeah. So I'm actually going to even take this. See how I put D in there? I put D in there from equation 1, which I could have done, certainly, that's fine. But the point here is that equation 2 and equation 3 end up being identical, right? Because in both cases, they yield not this. They both just tell me D equals A plus 3 halves B. And I know from equations 1 and 4 that C equals 3 halves B. So at the end of the day, matrix B is, this is a possibility, but Miss Yam was making the assumption that I'm looking at a scalar multiple of the identity 1001, which is this, and that was a total assumption. Gosh, I can't believe I just came face to face with a bias of mine. That's so humbling. But anyway, here is, as general, the all-inclusive general case B, and it is here. Matrix B actually could look like this. Matrix B could look like Okay. A and B are the free variables. A and B. C must equal 3 halves B, and D has to equal, well, I'll make this bigger. D has to equal A plus 3 halves B. And that is what your matrix B is. I can't believe it. So it was like this experience of, like, while I was doing something completely separate, like watering my ficus, I thought, oh my God, I think I assumed that B was going to be a scalar multiple of I. And then that like feeling of dread that B is a scalar multiple of I, then the reality was, oh my gosh, that means I have to find my arithmetic error somewhere. And I came back here and I found my arithmetic error. And it was that blimey negative sign. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Anyway, okay. I have to just kind of sit back and absorb this for a minute. So, oh boy.